5-Minute English. Demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are words we use to point to things. They show which thing we mean. The demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. We use this for one person or thing, which is near or close to the person speaking. We use these for more than one person or thing, which are near or close to the person speaking. We use that for one person or thing, which is far from the person speaking. We use those for more than one person or thing, which are far from the person speaking. For one person or thing, we use this and that. For more people or things, we use these and those. For things near or close to the person speaking, we use this and these. For things far from the person speaking, we use that and those. Let's learn. Look at the examples. We use this for one person or thing which is close to the speaker.
This bird.
We use that for one person or thing which is far from the speaker.
That bird.
We use these for more people or things which are close to the speaker.
These birds.
We use those for more people or things which are far from the speaker.
Those birds.
Listen to the examples. This. One person or thing near the speaker. This bag is nice.
Is this your mobile?
That. One person or thing far from the speaker.
That car is very expensive.
Is that your house? These. More people or things near the speaker. These shoes are great.
How much are these apples?
Those. More people or things far from the speaker. Look at those clouds.
Whose are those bags?
Some more practice. Listen to the examples. How much is this bag? How much is that bag? How much are these bags? How much are those bags? Is this your bag? Is that your bag? Are these your bags? Are those your bags? This is Ars Voxis Language Studio, helping you speak with clarity and confidence.